SNLF in Denmark. Introducing Archinese culture. Atacana TV reporting from Denmark. As of earlier this week, Denmark is the only European country without COVID-19 restrictions in effect. This is due to the fact that the vaccination rate has increased, with more than 70% of the total population in Denmark have been vaccinated. According to the latest news, the COVID-19 cases in Denmark are subsiding and are gradually starting to go back to normal life. At the same time, a number of Archinese diaspora that affiliated with ASA Sumatra National Liberation Front, or ASNLF organization in Denmark, participated in the Kimbrafesten festival. It is an annual cultural festival observed to mark the end of summer in the country. The traditional event was held on Sunday, the 12th of September in Aarhus, a city 400 kilometers from Copenhagen. The festival is open not only to the Danish people, but also to people from other nations. So the Archinese people in this Scandinavian nation waste no time to seize the opportunity to parade their traditional costume and the ASA flag on the back of a pickup truck to the Danish people standing on the side of the road. Despite the cold weather for Asian skin, the participants from ASA still looked eager, taking part in the occasion. It was proven by the presence of Archinese children born and raised in Denmark wearing traditional Archinese costume, while their parents brought along posters, signs, banners, flags and distributed leaflets about ASA. The annual carnival was also attended by the city's other social and cultural organizations.
Aceh,
Merdeka!
Aceh,
Merdeka!
Aceh,
Merdeka! Indonesia!
penjajah,
Indonesia!
penjajah,
Indonesia!
penjajah. Meribe, mupluh-pluh ribe. Bangsa luar kalon perkara Aceh. Miba oronyo di Denmark. Boleh bangsa Aceh. Yang suaka politik. Khususnya Aceh Sumatra National Liberation Front. Ana menjampu orang lain.
One of the Archinese diaspora there, named Salahati, told Atacana TV reporter that their purpose in the parade was very important and strong because it allows us to introduce Archinese culture to our own children and make them familiar with their ancestral traditions, unless they will only be familiar with Danish culture. If this were to happen, Salahati reaffirmed that the Archinese values and cultures will be left in name only. One more noteworthy message is do not be shy to introduce and showcase our culture to other people regardless of our living in other nations.
Uronyo nak ke sebuah acara festival kebudayaan yang diadakan di masyarakat tempat-tempatnya yang di Kampung Os. Jadi acaranya nak ke acara tahunan yang digugat setiap tahun di akhir musim suuap. Tujuan ini dimana sangat penting lah untuk regenerasi kitanya, karena mesti hanata putri kebudayaan kitanya kedua ba anak tanya. Jadi anaknya ini cuma jituri budaya Denmark di sini. Nya hanata putri budaya tanya jadi gada. Jadi generasi kuku tanya kan lima generasi aja mungkin. Di dalam segi kebudayaan lah. Jadi hanata turi le kebudayaan kitanya. Jadi punya kebudayaannya gada. Jadi hanane lah. Tingainan dan Aceh mentang ada itu hanya curi. Harapan non ke masyarakat Aceh ketika tanya tadu inang rogot, bak malay dan turi budaya tanya bak urung lain. Karena hanya turi tanya budaya ro bak urung lain, tanya malay ngom budaya ro kudro. Jadi tanya ada. Dan hanale Acehnya kuku mungkin.
By the same token, Nazir Osman, a member of ASNLF organization, also clarified that the Achenese culture in Denmark must be preserved as an ethnic and regional identity. Therefore, this festivity is an opportunity to show the identity and the extraordinariness of ASA as a nation before the eyes of European people.
Aceh, Pan Mantong yang nadia turunnya, kamu ronyo bangsa Aceh yang tinggal di Denmark ikut merayakan kultur yang dipegat di masyarakat Denmark. Jadi keikutan serta kitanya uronyo, nakin kitanya untuk tapluma masyarakat internasional bahwasannya kitanya bangsa Aceh na budaya drone dan budayanya akan sampai melekat kitanya supaya kitanya nyakit sabau menumat bahwasannya Acehnya nanti sabau bangsa na budaya do, na bahasa do, na nagro do. Budayanya wajib terjaga. Sebabnya anak terjaga akan gada budaya tanya dan tanya akan gada di neduk drawadu dan kitanya anak terduri drawadu dan patasai drawadu. Mudah-mudahan video live-nya di penumpang kitanya Bandung bahwasannya budayanya sangat penting katanya karena identitas sebuah bangsa. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Ribuan bangsa Eropah menonton adat budaya Aceh yang dipamerkan pada hari ini Denmark. Puturi saya nak ke Puturi Nanggro yang kebubut dari bangsa Aceh yang na di Denmark yang jang suaka politik. Nyo orang yang teka orangnya temlake kali uku beramai lawan teka. Temlake orang Aceh baik ke bendera.
Meanwhile, Hanafia, one of the Achenese leader members whom also serves as ASNLF coordinator in Denmark, said that the participants in the parade came from various organizations in Denmark. It is one of the approaches to present ASA to the world by distributing hundreds of brochures. This peaceful event is very effective as well as beneficial for family recreation as it took place in the weekend.
Katanya dari bangsa Aceh ada ikut.
Atacana TV team, reporting from Denmark.